Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. Yeah, in this video we are going to explain definite integration VSAQs, very short answer type question. Yesterday also 10 to 12 questions I discussed in one video, and today also concept and questions, different models of 2 marks questions. If you prepare these two videos, maximum of the questions you are able to attempt. That type of questions we discussed here. We are discussing here in the video. I discussed there. So standard formulas we have integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx, that is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Yes, students. And integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx into dx. Both are equal. Suppose if they are asking to find 2 marks question, prove that or show that. Prove that integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power, first question, sine power nx dx equal to cos power nx dx integral 0 to pi by 2. How to prove that? So first LHS we can take it now. LHS 2 marks question, if they will ask, you are able to do this. Prove that these two are equal. How it will be? LHS integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx into dx is equal to, we have formula in definite integration, integral 0 to a, it is very important relations. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. By using this property, wherever x is there, pi by 2 minus x you have to replace. Why? Because here a is equal to pi by 2. So this integral value will becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power n of, in place of x what we have to write? A minus x according to this property. But here a is equal to pi by 2, no? So pi by 2 minus x into dx. We know that sine of 90 minus theta. What is sine of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Therefore, integral 0 to pi by 2, sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos. So cos power n x into dx. So this is required RHS. So for applying this property 1 mark, getting answer 1 mark, 2 marks question, we may get it like this. So hence, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power nx dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. Now based on this, first I will write formula for this. Based on this we will discuss problems. So I'm going to rub this. So so integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx cos power nx dx. So which is equal to, based on n is even number, n is odd number, we have formulas. N minus 1 divided by n. In numerator, subtract odd numbers. N minus 3 divided by n minus 2. N minus 5 divided by n minus 4 into and so on. If here either in sine or cos, n value is even number, you will get at last 1 by 2. You remember always, dear students. Whenever sine power nx, cos power nx, integral 0 to pi by 2 is there. After applying this formula, if you will get 1 by 2, n should be compulsorily, it is even number. So whenever even number 1 by 2 if you are getting here, you should multiply with pi by 2. If n is even. Similarly, same formula, n minus 1 by n, n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 divided by n minus 4, and so on into 1. We can stop it as 1 there. Wherever we are getting 1, if n is odd number, so if n is odd, sorry, here 2 by 3 will come here, not 1. 2 by 3 it comes, in the next term 1 will come. So if n is odd, so these are the two important cases. Whenever even number, whenever it is odd number. What I am going to do is, by using this formula, for this n is even number or odd number, or for this n is odd number or even number, two examples I will explain here. So based on that, we will see it. So first one, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x we will do it. So first example based on that. Example 1. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x into dx. So n is even number, clearly we are getting here. N is even number means you should get at last 2 by 3. Till there you should write it. N minus 1 by n. That means 7 minus 1 divided by 7. Next. 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 2. 7 minus 5 divided by 7 minus 4. You think about here 2 by 3. Whenever 2 by 3 is there, what you should do? You should multiply with 1. So we can stop it there. So now we can calculate. 7 minus 1, 6 divided by 7 into 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 5, 2 divided by 7 minus 4, 3. So here 3 ones, 3 twos. So the remaining 2 into 4 into 2, 16 divided by 7 into 5, 35. So therefore integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x dx value we got it like this. Whenever n is odd number we have selected. Same question but in terms of even as well as cos. Question number 2, example 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 8x into dx. So n is equal to even number, we know that. So according to this property 8 minus 1 divided by 8. You write till you should get 1 by 2. After that, what we have to do? We should multiply with pi by 2. So 8 minus 3 divided by 8 minus 2. 8 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 4 into 8 minus 7 divided by 8 minus 6. Is it 1 by 2 or not? 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 6, 1, 2. So 1 by 2. Whenever you are getting 1 by 2, what you should do? Multiplying with pi by 2. When it comes, whenever it is even number. So calculate 7 by 8 into 5 by 6 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So here 3 ones, 3 twos. There is no other way to cancel the terms. 7 into 5, 35 into 5. So 35 pi divided by 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 8 is 64. 64 into 4. So 256. This is the way you can do, dear students. Either sine or cos, integral 0 to pi by 2 is there. This is the way you can do it. I hope you understand. Any doubts are there, you can write in the comment box. I will help you. I will come to here. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this. I will explain another concept. Shall I wrap this now? Yes. Next, sine cos combination 0 to pi by 2. What will come? Before exercise 7D, I think you have problems, number of problems. Yeah, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx into cos power nx into dx. So first I will explain the formula. Later we will do that. Examples. 3 examples I will discuss, dear students. Don't worry. 2 to 3 minimum examples I will cover. So whenever product of sine and cos with powers m and n will be there. So how to write the formula easily? So first whatever m is there, no, in the numerator keep one bracket. M odd numbers you write it, subtraction, m minus 1, m minus 3 and so on, till you have to write the values. You should not get zeros and negatives. Till there you write. Suppose for example it is 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3 we cannot write, dear students. Till there only you can write it. Next come to n also. N minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 and so on. After that divided by The sum of powers of these two, m plus n. First m plus n. Next 2 you can subtract. M plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4 and so on. Even here also same case. Into k, here only twist. Into k. So what it k represents? Here k equal to pi by 2 if m comma n are both even numbers. Both even numbers. K value is pi by 2 if both m and n values are even numbers. K value equal to 1 if m comma n, otherwise m comma n any value, either even number or odd number. M comma n, different values of m comma n, other than both cases, different. Otherwise I will write it in different cases. M is even, n is odd. M is odd, n is even. Otherwise another case, m comma n is both, m comma n both odd. So these are the cases 1, 2 and 3. Whenever both m and n values are not even numbers, k value should be 1. You remember like this. If both are even numbers, the k value should be equal to pi by 2. This is the way you remember. So once again I will repeat, dear students. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx into dx is equal to, first m power is there no for sin, m minus 1, m minus 3 and so on you should write. N minus 1, n minus 3 and so on you should write. Till where you have to write? Till we cannot get any negative number and or 0. Suppose m equal to 5. 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3, we can stop it there. We cannot write 5 minus 5. Okay. Otherwise we cannot write 5 minus 7 also. So you should not get any 0 or any negative numbers. After that in denominator, sum of these two powers you should write it first. After that 2 you can subtract into k. So what it represents, k value? K value is equal to pi by 2 if m comma n both values are equal to even number. Otherwise means these three cases will come. Both m is even number, n is odd number, m is odd number, n is even number, m comma n both are odd numbers. This is the case will arise, dear students. Okay, are you able to understand now? So this is the way you can get it. So I will take one example. A simple example, and we got it in the previous exams also. Example, evaluate or find integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x cos power 5x into dx. Here clearly you are getting one is even number, one is odd number, means compulsory k value equal to 1. Keep in mind blindly. M is even, n is odd. This case will come. Now I am applying this formula, dear students. Observe carefully. M minus 1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. We can stop it there. Why? Because 4 minus 5 we cannot write. Negative numbers we cannot write. I already said that. Close this bracket. Now 5 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 5 also we cannot write. Stop it there. By 4 plus 5, m plus n, 9. For every term you can subtract 2. So 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. Next 9 minus 8, it comes as 1. We can stop it there. We cannot go for any negative number. After that, into 1 you should write. Why? Because 1 is even, 1 is odd. So m is even, n is odd. This case will come. So that is the reason k value 1. Now simplification. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. Divided by 9 into 7 into 5 into 3. Here 3 get cancelled. 4 2s are 8 divided by 9 into 7, 63 into 5. 63 into 5. 315. So this is the way you can do, dear students, the answer. One more question. Both even numbers also I will take it. Both even numbers question also I will take. Then you can get the clarity on that problem. Both the even numbers question. But both the even numbers question is, I'll rub and I will tell. Before that, when the question is in terms of tan and cos is there. Suppose the same question, integral 0 to pi by 2, tan power 5x into cos power 8x is there. Then started worries. How to do, sir? Tan is given, cos is given. It's very easy one. We are going to bring into this form. Integral 0 to pi by 2, sin power mx, cos power nx form, I want to get it. See how we are going to transform this. Integral 0 to pi by 2, tan power 5x means sin power 5x by cos power 5x. Am I right? Into cos power 8x into dx. So that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x as it is, you write it, dear students, into here cos power 8x is there, here cos power 5x is there. So cos power 5x times is going to get cancelled, remaining cos power 3x is there. I hope you understand. A power 8 by a power 5 means a power 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. You can subtract these powers and write in the numerator. Now it is in this form or not? Here also one is odd number, one is even number. Again we can go to the same case. Here I will write it, dear students. See here 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 3. We can stop it there. Next 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3 also we cannot write. Leave it there. By 3 plus 8. 3 plus 5. 8. So we can subtract 2 till you will get some answer. So ultimately one only will come. 8. We'll see that. 8. 8 minus 2. 6. 6 minus 2. 4. 4 minus 2. We can stop it there. M plus n means 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. We can stop it there. 2 minus 2 means 0 will come. We cannot. Leave it like this. Into 1. Why? Because 1 is odd. Sorry, both odd numbers. Both odd number case also k value 1. Now we can simplify. This is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. By 8 into 6 into 4 into 2. 4 into 2 get cancelled. 2 1s, 2 3s. So 1 by 24. So this is the way you can give the answer, dear students. Whenever the question is in terms of tan is there, we cannot worry about the question. Now we will move to another set of questions. Shall I rub this? I'll rub this already we kept in mind. Even function, odd function case also I'm going to explain. I'll keep it that formula will be. Some students immediately they are saying, no, those who are watching now, do join now only means they can't understand. I'll keep it like this only. K value pi by 2, that is based on that. Now the question is, integral 0 to 2 pi sin square x sin power 4x cos power 4x. Integral 0 to 2 pi. This question sometimes may chances to ask for 4 marks, especially this question. Either 4 marks or 2 marks. Only this question, dear students. Integral 0 to 2 pi sin square x into cos power 4x into dx. So first, whenever 0 to 2 pi is there, first what we have to do is, I have to get compulsory 0 to pi by 2 to apply this formula. Otherwise we cannot apply. Before 0 to 2 pi is there, by using formulas and properties. See here, one of the property is there in the definite integration. While solving this question compulsory, you should write this property, dear students. Integral 0 to NA f of x into dx is equal to n times of 0 to a f of x into dx. If f of NA minus x is equal to f of x, that means even function. Suppose if it is f of NA minus x is equal to minus f of x, the answer it is odd. That time only you can write it like this. Otherwise, one more formula also I will suggest for you. One more formula. Instead of this, 2a only you can take it now. F of 0 to 2a f of x dx, 2 times of 0 to f of a into f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x is equal to f of a, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx, second one is the first one. 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. No, f of x is. If it is equal to minus f of x, that answer is 0. If it is only f of x, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Even function, this is odd function. So now I will check this. F of x here, f of x is equal to sin square x into cos power 4x. F of 2 pi minus x, that is equal to sin square of 2 pi minus x into cos power 4 of 2 pi minus x, that is equal to sin of 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi minus 2 pi means 360 minus even number only, but power is odd, no? So sin square x only will come. Cos 2 pi minus positive only, but cos power is also cos power 4x, that is equal to f of x. So whenever f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, this can be written as what? By using this property, 2 times of integral 0 to pi sin square x into cos power 4x into dx. Okay, dear students, again here a is there, pi is there. Again I am checking f of pi minus x, sin square of pi minus x into cos power 4 of pi minus x. Sin of pi minus theta, sin theta only, sin square x cos of pi minus x minus, but power 4 is there, no? Positive only will come. Again we are getting f of x. Okay. So that is equal to already 2 is there. Again it is even function, means what we should write? 2 times of, again 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit. Here 2 pi by 2 means pi. In that pi also half of the upper limit is pi by 2 only, no? Sin square x into cos power 4x into dx. Now it is reduced into this form only, no? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx. We got it in that form. After that, what we have to do? Both even number means if m comma n both even, k value should be pi by 2. We already discussed it. So now 2 into 2 4. Now I am writing formula 2 minus 1. We can stop it there. Next 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. But we cannot write 4 minus 5. Stop it there. By 2 plus 4, 6. Next we can subtract 2, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. After that we cannot write. 0 will come. Next into, whenever both m and n both are even numbers, k value is what? Pi by 2. So into pi by 2. Next here 4 get cancelled. Now simplification. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 by 6 into 2 into pi by 2. So 3 ones, 3 twos. So that is equal to pi by 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So pi by 8. This question, that is the reason I said, dear students, we may get this question for 4 marks also. Why? Because we are converting into this form. 0 to 2 pi converted as 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit. Again 0 to pi also converting into in terms of pi by 2. 2 times of 0 to half of the upper limit. When we should write like this? Whenever f of pi minus x equal to f of x, by using this property. Okay, we'll move to another question now. Yeah, we'll move to another one. Suppose if it is odd, the answer is going to get as 0. That also I will set. I will keep it the same. So that coming problem also important for 2 marks. They ask number of times. Evaluate 2 marks, very important, dear students. This one very very important. Number of times they asked. In terms of theta also they will ask. I will write in terms of theta only. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin power 3 theta into cos power 3 theta into d theta. In place of x, theta they kept. Whenever minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is there, again I will write formula, dear students, according to your convenience, problems based convenience. Integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x into dx. All these proofs also available in the Play Store, in our playlist. Dx, if f of minus x is equal to f of x, the same value equal to 0 if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. We will verify that whether it is getting this property or this property. So in terms of theta is there, means f of theta I am writing, dear friends. Here f of theta equal to sin power 3 theta into cos power 3 theta. So f of minus theta I am going to verify here according to property. F of minus x is there now. F of minus theta equal to sin power 3 of minus theta into cos power 3 of minus theta. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta, odd number of times means minus only will come. minus sine power 3 theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta only. We can neglect it. So ultimately minus this completely equal to f of theta only, no? So f of minus theta equal to minus f of theta. It shows that f of theta is an odd function. Till there one mark. Whenever f of minus f of x equal to f of minus x equal to minus f of x, the answer is what? 0. Therefore we conclude that integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine power 3 theta cos power 3 theta d theta is equal to answer 0. Why we are writing answer 0? We proved it is an odd function. If it is even function, we can do like this, dear students. Okay? I hope you understand. We'll move on to two questions, more two questions. Yeah, that regular questions, you also know that. Sometimes they are asking for 4 marks also, that type of 4 or 2 marks. That questions I am going to explain now. Either 4 or 7 marks. That's why in the video I will keep not only the VSAQs but also SAQs. I will keep it after that. Yeah. Find the value. The question, find the value integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x by cos power 5x plus sin power 5x into dx. Either 4 or 2 marks. Here I will mention, dear students. 2 questions, 2 or 3 questions I will explain. After that I will stop it. Whenever like this question is given, 0 to pi by 2 sin cos combination, you can take the given value as I. Let us consider. You put that equation number 1. By using the property, by using integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. By using this property, a minus x means pi by 2 minus x. So this I value will becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5 of pi by 2 minus x whole divided by cos power 5 of pi by 2 minus x plus sin power 5 of pi by 2 minus x into dx. Wherever x is there, pi by 2 minus x you have to write it. So 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 2 minus theta, sin theta. So sin power 5 of x by sin power 5x plus sin of pi by 2 is theta, cos theta. So cos power 5x into dx. Put that equation number 2. If they are asking for 4 marks, till there you will get, for writing this formula 1 mark, property. Till there you will get another 1 mark. Now adding 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. So I plus I to I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x by cos power 5x plus sin power 5x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x In these two terms, denominators are same and limits also same. So we can write it as 2I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Whenever limits are same and denominator is same, we can make it into single term. So denominator will become cos power 5x plus sin power 5x. In the numerator itself, cos power 5x plus sin power 5x. So both will be cancelled. So 2I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 into dx. What is integral dx? Integral dx is x. Applying the limit 0 to pi by 2. So upper limit first, in place of x, upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. So 2I equal to pi by 2 minus 0 means pi by 2. So I is equal to pi by 4. That is, what is I here? Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x by cos power 5x plus sin power 5x into dx is equal to pi by 4. So for you people, I will give one question as a homework to try to do that. The same type of question. Find integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5 by 2x cos power 5 by 2x plus sin power 5 by 2x into dx. This question is also there, example day, students. Cos power 3 by 2 is there, not 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Wherever 5 by 2 is there, 3 by 2 you can write and calculate. So same answer you will get, but the procedure will be similar. One question I am going to explain. Yeah, I am going to rub this and I will tell that. Find the value of integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x plus cos square x into dx. 1 minute, I will check denominator 2 is there or not. Yes, it is there. In the previous problem, whatever the method we followed, same thing. First, what we have to do, the given, you can write it as I. Let the given value is equal to I. Keep it as equation number 1. Sometimes somebody will do sin square x plus cos square x value is 1, like this also we can do, but this is the why? Because their intention to give this problem is student has to learn the property. So by using the property integral 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So a equal to pi by 2. So I value will becomes I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square of pi by 2 minus x minus cos square of pi by 2 minus x whole divided by sin square of pi by 2 minus x minus plus cos square of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So wherever x is there, pi by 2 minus x, you have to write it. So I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin of pi by 2 minus theta cos. So it will become cos square x. It will become cos of pi by 2 minus theta sin theta. Sin square x by this is cos square x plus sin square x into dx. Put that equation number 2. So now adding 1 and 2. Adding either 4 marks or 2 marks question like this. Adding 1 and 2, we get, so I plus I, 2I. So integral 0 to pi by 2. So first sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x plus cos square x into dx plus integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x plus sin square x into dx. So after this step, observe carefully, in both the integrals limits are same, even in the denominators also same. So whenever both limits same and denominators are same, you can write as a single term. So I plus I 2I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. So denominator is what? Sin square x plus cos square x or cos square x plus sin square x. Now you can add the numerators. Here numerator is sin square x minus cos square x plus here numerator is cos square x minus sin square x into dx. So now plus sin square x minus sin square x minus cos square x plus cos square x is cancelled. So in the numerator 0 is there. So 0 by anything is 0. So 2I equal to 0, I is equal to 0. That is the given integral. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Whatever it is given integral. Sin square x minus cos square x whole divided by sin square x plus cos square x dx is equal to 0. Either 4 marks or 2 marks, dear students. Keep in mind. Any doubts are there, you can write in the comment box. In my free time, I will tell that. In the next class, possibility day after tomorrow, I will tell that. That too, not in that same time. It may be 8:30 or 9 o'clock. I will discuss there. Thank you all of you. Signing off, Maths with Panindra.